Hey, how's it going everyone? Welcome to the channel. Today I want to show you how I 3D printed with my Ender 3 some upgrades that I did to my office space desk area. You can see it's a mess, cable management's horrible, and I just was able to 3D print some stuff, so I want to show you that with what the design that I used. If you do like the video, go ahead and like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. I'm trying to put videos out weekly for you guys. So yeah, follow me there, follow me on TikTok, all that good stuff. So the first thing that I want to show you here is a cup holder that's going to attach to the side of my desk. When I play video games, I always have a drink, whether it's water, whether it's coffee while I'm doing videos. No matter what the case may be, it keeps it off of the desk because obviously with a mouse, you don't want to knock into it. With a keyboard, you can't really have it in front of the screen. So that's what I built here, and I downloaded it off of Thingiverse. So I just wanted to show you the design. The first thing that's here is the little slot that's going to go between the desk, essentially. Next piece I'm going to show you is a screw, and the screw goes through there. It's very simple, very basic. And then after that, it's a clamp that goes into that section of it, and that's going to be this right here. It just clamps right on, and that's what you screw into it. Then the last piece, of course, is the cup holder. I will say the cup holder is a little big, much bigger than I wanted it to be, but it is what it is. So here's the cup holder that I made. As you can see, it has a little screw in the piece, and it's just going to clamp right on with the cup. The next item that I want to talk about, I'm going to move on to. This is the cable organizer. This is the design for it. But when I printed it, I printed 3 of them because I wasn't sure how many I would need. If you don't know how to do that, I just clicked on it here. It's going to say that it's going to flip over at the green side, right? So I just click rotate, and it's actually the red side. So I click off snap angle, go to the red here, and I want it to move 90 degrees. So you just type in 90, right? And now it's perfectly flat, perfectly even with it. And another thing that I did too is I just clicked on it, right clicked it, and then multiply selected, number of copies, just add a couple more, and now you have all these. So that's what I did for that. And then this is pretty much what they look like once they're all printed. They're pretty good, except they're super stiff. So this next design here, I feel like is pretty cool. I made this myself, right? I didn't download it off of Thingiverse, which I did the other 2 things. I'm pretty impressed with myself, pretty happy with myself because I haven't edited anything in a while or created anything. So yeah, pretty much what I did here is this is ultimately going to be flipped around, right? So then this side is going to be facing downward, and I drilled a hole through the center of it instead of making a hole because I wanted a screw to be able to really grip on the inside of it, right? So yeah, I built this one myself. So here it is with me actually printing it. I think it looks awesome, to be honest. And this is what I'm going to do with it, what I was saying with the screw, and just stick it into the wall like so. I didn't show you a video in relation to this that I printed it off. It was actually in my garbage, but once I was pretty much done with everything, I grabbed it and clamped it back on, and it actually worked out. So what happened was I printed it this exact direction instead of turning it on its side, and all 5 of them that I made got mixed up. So here's the design for it. Once again, also off of Thingiverse. So here we have the clamp. I know the cords aren't the most amazing thing in the world, but the clamp is actually holding up. Then the next thing I have is the cable organizer. I couldn't really fit a lot of cables in there. It was super stiff, so use a different material other than PLA. And the next thing I have is the O-ring holder. So the light fits basically right in there pretty well. It leans up and is honestly perfect. So I was really happy that I was able to design something that worked. And the next thing here is the cup holder, of course. So I love this, man. I just want to buy more stuff to kind of help myself. I'm using my thumb as my example of size reference. So yeah, here's everything all done. And if you guys did like the video, go ahead, like, and subscribe.